In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase height in Canva photo editing. We'll be using one of Canva's handy AI tools so you can subtly make a person in your photo look a bit taller without distorting the rest of the image. First, open your design in Canva and make sure the photo you want to edit is on your canvas. Start by clicking directly on the photo. This tells Canva which image you want to work on and activates the photo editing options at the top of the screen. Once your photo is selected, look for the edit option in the toolbar. Go ahead and click on edit. This will open a panel with different editing tools and effects you can apply to your image. Inside this editing panel, you'll need to navigate to the feature called Magic Grab. Depending on your Canva layout, you might need to scroll a bit or look under a section related to AI or photo tools, but once you see Magic Grab, select it. Next, click on Magic Grab to activate it. What this tool does is detect the main subject of your photo, usually a person, and separates them from the background so you can move them without stretching or warping everything else. After you click it, give Canva a moment to process. You might see a loading indicator. This is normal, just wait for it to finish. The time it takes can vary depending on your internet speed and the size of your photo, so be patient here and avoid clicking around too much while it's working. When Magic Grab is ready, you'll see a button or option labeled Grab. Click on Grab to confirm that you want Canva to isolate the subject. Once it's done, the person in the photo should now be independently adjustable from the background. Now, click on the person in the photo. You'll know it's selected when you see the usual resize handles or outline around the subject. With the person selected, you're ready to adjust their position. To increase the height, simply drag the person upward on the canvas. This gives the illusion of longer legs or more height, especially if you keep their feet closer to the bottom edge of the frame. Move them slowly and check the overall balance of the composition so it still looks natural. If it feels a bit off, you can always drag them slightly back down or reposition the background elements for a better look. And that's it. By using Magic Grab and a simple upward drag, you can subtly increase someone's height in a Canva photo while keeping the rest of the image looking clean and